Hello, Carly Cooper here to give you a quick tutorial on how to help your friends enroll with doTERRA. So they've been using their oils, they are loving them, people are asking them about them, and now they want to enroll their friends. So how do they do it? So this is what you're going to tell them. You are going to point them in the direction of the trifold. This can be found in the Files tab. And they have an option of a couple different starter kits. And why I like to recommend the starter kits is because they cover the basics and give them everything that they need at a way better value, okay? Plus their membership fee is covered. So you're gonna go through the kits, you're gonna ask them and make your recommendations. So my favorite kit is the Home Essentials. I love to recommend that one because it's a great place for people to start. It gives them the top 10 oils plus a diffuser at a really, really great value. There's also a small bottle kit, which is $185. The Home Essentials, which is the big bottle kit, which is $330. And if they really wanted to make over their whole lifestyle, then they can start with the Natural Solutions kit, which is $600. So you're simply gonna present the different kits and you're gonna say, what are you the most comfortable with? And you let them decide. And based on their budget and their comfort level, you're gonna point them in a direction of a kit, or if they wanna start with a membership, they pay that $42 first. If they're in Canada, $35 if they're in the US. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your website and you're going to enroll them and you're going to help them fill out all their information, choose the kit that they want that they're most comfortable with, and then you're going to help them check out and process their order. So that's it. It's really easy. It's a super simple conversation to have. You want to avoid giving them too many options and too much information because it will overwhelm them. And when there's an overwhelmed mind, they can't make a decision. So keep it really simple, and that's it. Super easy. Good luck.